Earnings from Best Buy. Best Buy, honestly, are we really going to talk about Best Buy, Cody? That's what you're asking me. You say retail's dead. You say brick and mortar's gone. You say Best Buy is just Amazon's showroom. That's right. I believe all those things. I still believe that Best Buy, being a company that does quite a bit, $8+ billion this quarter in revenue, still deserves a little bit of coverage. We never know how Best Buy might turn it around. We don't believe it's necessarily in the cards, but that doesn't mean it couldn't happen, right? Best Buy reported earnings today. That's an earnings per share of 69 cents, beat the street by 6 cents. Good job, Best Buy. Good job. I'm sure a lot of analysts are following Best Buy and following them quite closely, because even though they don't have their clients, a lot of clients probably in Best Buy, I would imagine a lot of financial advisors don't have Best Buy as a part of people's portfolio unless it's in some much larger index or something. I'm sure a lot of analysts still follow this quite closely because Best Buy intersects with a lot of other companies, including companies like Amazon, like we were talking about earlier. Revenues of $8.94 billion. That's up, beat the street by $280 million. That's another beat. We beat on earnings, we beat on revs, and the revenues are up 4.8% year over year. Best Buy. I'm impressed. Maybe you're doing something right. Because that 4.8%, that's quarter over quarter. We're talking the same quarter last year. What did you do differently this quarter? Comparable sales in the United States are up 5.4%. That means a lot more people are actually shopping at your stores. I mean, I know the economy's doing well. People do have money to throw around. And I've said before, the one thing that a company like Best Buy has going for them over Amazon is in an economy that's thriving, when you've got cash burning a hole in your pocket, I don't want to wait 2 days for my new phone. I don't want to wait 2 days for my new tablet. I don't want to wait 2 days. I don't like to wait. I want it now. That's how a lot of people feel. So people will walk into Best Buy and pay a bit of a premium when the money's rolling in. And in the United States, with the economy doing well and people having more money, and the chain store sales statistics that were out this morning said that, in the last week, it blew numbers out of the water. So I'm sure Best Buy, and it's been blowing numbers out of the water for chain store sales for a while, and I'm sure Best Buy's getting a piece of that, and we can see that in this earnings call. They definitely are. Domestic online sales were up 31%. Look, if Best Buy is going to live, if they're going to live to see the next generation of retail, Best Buy is going to have to get big and bad in the online department. There's just no two ways about it. This brick and mortar, all the overhead just doesn't suffice anymore. People can shop and buy things like appliances or TVs online. They can look online for reviews. You don't got to try a TV on. You know how big 60 inches is. You can get yourself a ruler and figure that out. It's not like trying on a dress. So Best Buy is going to have to figure it out. But this earnings call from Best Buy is quite impressive. We've actually had one heck of a retail season as far as the earnings season goes. The retailers have blown me away. Target, they did immaculate work. We had Abercrombie and Fitch last week doing a great earnings call. Best Buy, couldn't they turn it around? Will they be around in 10 years? That I wouldn't necessarily bet my money on, but they've got a big brand name. They've got a lot of money. They can still make a lot of dents in the marketplace, and 31% up domestic online sales, and comparable store sales up 5.4% in the U.S. Beat on earnings, beat on revenue. Come on, Best Buy. Prove me I'm wrong. Prove me I'm wrong. You could do it. I believe in you. I believe in you, Best Buy.